Welcome to TechieTutor Hub. Are you eager to become a web development pro? Look no further! At TechieTutor Hub, we offer comprehensive and engaging tutorials on all things web development. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, our channel has something for everyone. Dive into our easy-to-follow tutorials covering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and watch as we break down complex concepts into simple, digestible lessons. Our mission is to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to create stunning websites and dynamic web applications. What you'll find on this channel: step-by-step HTML tutorials to build the structure of your websites, in-depth CSS lessons to style your web pages like a pro, interactive JavaScript tutorials to bring your websites to life, advanced topics including responsive design, web performance, and more. Real-world projects to apply your learning. Tips, tricks, and best practices from industry experts. Join our community of aspiring web developers and take your skills to the next level. Subscribe to TechieTutor Hub and start your journey to becoming a web development expert today. Stay tuned for new videos every week, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.